Hello, in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to log in to the Bosstrack community. So first you want to make sure you go to the website, which is thebosstrack.com, and then you want to click on Login in the upper right-hand corner. Once you click on Login, a space will come up for you to enter the email address and password you used when you signed up for the membership. And you want to click on Login. And once you do that, that will bring you to the dashboard, which will show you at a glance your profile, how far along you are with your profile development. It will show you your progress with your courses. Your last course you were participating in will show up here. It will show any discussions that you've started in the community and any kind of responses there. And then you have what we offer to the community down here. And we have another tutorial that will walk you through all the details of what the dashboard will provide to you as a member. But that's essentially it. This is how you log in. And we look forward to seeing you at the next tutorial.